Hey guys, yeah, we're on a little day trip here out of Lake Pleasant, escaping the mask, people. Anyway, I'm gonna talk to you guys about something too. We'll be right back.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happiness.
Yeah, so that's where we are right now. Yeah, I just wanted to bring you up to date, talk to you guys a little bit. I'm in the middle of a move. My landlord has decided to sell my place, so I need to be out by the end of this week. So we've been packing and selling some stuff and moving. But this is actually the first step toward going full-time RVing, which I've been talking about for 2 or 3 years now, right? Right, you guys? Yeah, I'm going to put my stuff in storage, and I'm going to rent a storage shed, and that's going to be for 3 months. And during that time, I hope to have an RV bought, like, you know, hopefully a Class C, short Class A, you know, around 30 foot, whatever. We've been shopping. Yeah, there's hot baked Italian here. Yeah, we've been looking, shopping. We think we've got a couple of floor plans picked out, but you know, things just got to fall into place. But you know, once I get my stuff into storage, then we'll work on getting Lisa's stuff into storage, and then we're gonna get in the RV. Yes, sorry, I've been kind of remiss at getting the rest of the cross-country adventure videos out, but that's because all this you know, having to move just kind of threw me kind of surprised me, threw me for a loop. I've never been asked to leave a place before, yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna get the rest of our cross-country trip out. There's the Evel Knievel Museum, which is really cool, and also a salt mine, Hutchinson, Kansas, 600 feet below the surface. So look forward to those two coming out. You know, hopefully within a week or two after I put this one out. So yeah, if we get this move done, then I'll have more time to edit. And so yeah, we're gonna take you along shopping for an RV, and also we're gonna try and get out with Junebug a couple, 2 or 3, whatever, as many times as we can. You know, over the next you know, 3 months. So anyway, good talking to you guys. If you got any questions or comments, whatever, I appreciate every single one of you. And if you need anything from Amazon, I'd really appreciate it if you'd go through my Amazon associate account. It doesn't cost you anymore, and it helps. It helps. You know, it doesn't pay much, but you know, any little bit helps to get us on the road and keep us on the road. And you know, and please share this with like-minded friends. But anyway, okay, we will talk to you guys soon.